तो सबसे पहले हाय किरण, वेलकम टू फिल्मी बीट।
हाय।
फर्स्ट कांग्रेचुलेशंस। पीपल आर लविंग जिस तरीके का ये कॉन्सेप्ट है, हमने ऑलरेडी पहले देखा था, बट व्हाट मेड यू टू से यस फॉर सच कॉन्सेप्ट? व्हाट अबाउट यू हैव टू से अबाउट योर कैरेक्टर अंकुर?
I think it was something that was totally new and refreshing, I think. So I think that's exactly the job of an actor to get into a role which is something new and that could possibly challenge him or make him say yes. So I think I saw the script when I was auditioning it and I was like, yeah, this is quite a cool one. And the fact that it's a journey of not just him, it's a journey of him and Paki and a third one who comes and all of that, who is even an accidental pregnancy. But then again, I think that was what sealed the deal for me कि यार ये तो काफी layers होंगे इसमें खेलने के लिए, भले हमें 1 मिनट में ये सब करना है, but a variety of emotions, something not very very youthful but at the same time mid 25s, and suddenly the responsibility and all of that. I think for an actor all of this is very it's very refreshing, so I think that's exactly why I said yes.
All right. And apart from that, since we know the character, like being a parenthood, how easy or difficult, like what have you learned while, preparing your character?
See, this was a surprise, right? It was basically, I mean, he also says that it's a happy accident, right? So usually accidents aren't really happy and all, but very rarely a few of them turn out to be really like, surprising and very happy, happy oriented types and all. So of course, I mean, it's only when it happens you'll understand कि ऐसा भी होता है. And usually people have, whenever they have children, they have like a planned progress of life, इनकम, सेविंग्स, पैसा होना चाहिए अकाउंट में, ये सब. और यहाँ पाखी कहती भी है कि यार हमारे पास सेविंग्स नहीं है, तुझे तेरे सपने पूरे करने हैं, मुझे मेरे सपने पूरे करने हैं. तो अंकुर बोलता है कि यार व्हाट इफ इट्स अ हैप्पी एक्सीडेंट, व्हाट इफ इट्स अ हैप्पी एक्सीडेंट. तो उसके दिमाग में एक थॉट सीड कर देता है वो, और उसके बाद it's the journey. It's very impromptu, like it's like an everyday thing. Like people who have accidental pregnancies and want to take the child, I mean take the baby, I mean basically have the baby. It's an everyday process. You can't think about the next month or the month after that. You have to think every day, is what I personally think. Not like I've experienced it ever, but मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है, and that's very exciting. And automatically there's more emotion towards your spouse, and there's more care, affection. Your game changes in the head, right? You start feeling very differently for your partner, and then there's another person inside your partner who's yours eventually. So the entire process is very fulfilling, and I think it's very beautiful. So that's what actually was very very exciting for me.
Okay, and apart from that, usually we have seen, जब ये ऐसे accidents होते हैं या फिर this thing happens like unfortunate pregnancy या this thing, usually बच्चे लोग को जो है abort करने का first step होता है या फिर first thought होता है. And आज भी like we are facing this like still open relationship is not accepted in our society. We are still facing the same thing. So what do you have to say? कि do you think कि ऐसे लोगों का थोड़ा perspective change हो जाएगा with this after watching this or something?
Not really. क्योंकि काफी सिचुएशनल चीज है ये. क्योंकि वो डिपेंड करते हैं आप कौन से एज पे भी हो, राइट? आप लिव इन, आप 20 पे भी लिव इन कर सकते हो, 25 पे लिव इन कर सकते हो, 30 पे कर सकते हो. आजकल आपको पता है जनरेशन कैसी है. बट यहाँ अंकुर और पाखी की शादी हो चुकी है, तो आई थिंक इट वाज इजियर टू से यस बिकॉज दे वर आल्सो मैरिड. Now, if it happens in a live-in, I'm sure people will be like, "Yeah, maybe let's drop it because अभी तक शादी नहीं हुई है, career, goals achieve करने बाकी है." But yeah, I think maybe उनकी शादी हो चुकी है. अभी suppose अंकुर और पाकी की शादी नहीं हुई होती, but I think they would have still possibly gone ahead with it. जहाँ तक मुझे इन दोनों कैरेक्टर्स के बारे में समझ में आ रहा है. तो I think ये बहुत ही पर्सनल चॉइस है और उसे रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए और सिचुएशन के हिसाब से. बिकॉज when you say that chalo, for example, giving a small example, like when you get a dog in your house, like when you get a new little puppy, it's a lot of responsibility. When you get a pet, and imagine you're getting your own baby into this world, and that comes with a huge responsibility. I mean, my parents and all the parents in the world are the best judges for this. They'll answer it better. Your parents will answer it better because a lot of thought goes into it, because you want to give your child everything, right? Like you can't just like be like, हाँ ठीक है, इसको हम सीधे साधे कपड़े देंगे, मीडियोकर स्कूल में डालेंगे, पढ़ाई इतनी ज़्यादा करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ऐसे सोच से करोगे तो बॉस, I think it's totally unfair.
Correct.
So I think even if you're planning it, if you're going all out, go all out, and if you have the confidence, I think go ahead with it.
All right. And apart from that, since we know, like we have seen you working with television or so many shows you have done, you have given like
Yeah,
so many numbers to this industry. So now when you look back to your journey, how do you feel?
I think it's great. I'm very grateful. There's nothing beyond that I can say, because I think it's made me who I am, and television is always very special to me. And I'm just thoroughly very grateful, and I'm very excited also right now because OTT is blooming, and the fact that we have so many opportunities coming up for so many actors. And I'm really happy when I see my friends perform on different mediums. And I think the best thing is that यार अब बहुत grateful रहो और gratitude रखो, और इन दो चीजों पे दुनिया कायम रहे और आगे बढ़ो types. I'm very grateful, to be honest.
Okay, since you are talking about OTT, currently Big Boss OTT is booming. What do you have to say? Like everywhere trending, buzz is high. So do you have any friend in house? And what do you have to say? Can we see you someday in Big Boss?
Yeah, I honestly, I do get calls, but I don't usually say yes, because I think I'm not there yet to be on a platform like that, because वो एक personal process होता है सोचने का कि Big Boss करना है नहीं करना है. But it's not something who I am right now, and not something that I want to try right now. But yeah, Pratik was basically, I think Pratik's there. Pratik was in Bebaki with us. He was my younger brother on the show. So I think he's gone there. And I haven't been following it, to be very honest to you, but I can just wish all the best to everybody. And I just hope everyone is as real as they are.